Alright, let's talk about the Enjuvie Magnetic Lash Kit in 2026. Because honestly, is it a total scam or just misunderstood? First things first, Enjuvie ship out physical products. That means, technically, it's not a total scam in the sense that you send money and get nothing. But here's the catch. So many buyers have reported brutal shipping delays, sometimes waiting 2 or even 3 months for their lashes to finally show up. And customer service? Let's just say, you'll probably spend more time trying to get a reply than actually putting the lashes on. The return process? It's not exactly friendly. So, yeah, those scam red flags aren't just rumors. But when the lashes do arrive, what's the real story? Experienced users seem to love how fast they snap on. No glue, no mess. Some people can apply them in seconds. Beginners, though, you might be fumbling a bit at first. The magnetic applicator takes a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty satisfying. Comfort-wise, most users say Enjuvie lashes feel super lightweight, and the look is impressively natural. Just a heads up, if you don't place them perfectly, you might get some irritation, so be careful. Now, about durability. Enjuvie claims you can reuse these lashes for up to a year, but most real-world reviews say you'll be lucky if they last a few months, especially if you wear them a lot. Bottom line, if you want a glue-free lash that's easy to remove and looks great, and you're cool waiting weeks or months for shipping, Enjuvie could be worth it. But if you're not into waiting or playing customer service detective, you might want to check out the magnetic lashes on Amazon instead. So, legit or scam? Technically legit, but you've got to be patient and maybe a little